Hey guys, I'm back. Well, as you can see, I still got the same shirt and tie on as my last video. And so you're thinking, wait a minute, why is he doing this? Well, one of the things I learned from a YouTuber is that I can shoot multiple videos and post them in different days of the week, all in one day. So today's video that I'm doing could be posted 3 days from now, and that'll be my video for that day. Anyway, that was just a little side note for you guys out there if you're looking to shoot videos as well. What I want to get into today, as I told you guys in my last video, is influential people. So I point behind me because I have a new setup for myself, and it's showing you guys all of the books that I've read and all of the CDs and videos that I've watched. This isn't all of them because I pick up a lot from YouTube, and that's why I'm doing this video series, is I've gained so much knowledge just from YouTubing some of the people that are behind me: Dale Carnegie, Tony Robbins, Joe Vitale, to name a few. From these people, I've learned how to set goals and be able to help myself accomplish these goals. So why am I telling you guys this? I'm telling you this because you're young professionals. You're new to the workforce, or you've been in it for a little while, and now you're looking for a way to get more successful, to become more successful. So I'm telling you this because there are influential people in your lives that you don't even know. Well, you don't know about. You know them, you just don't know about them. So what I challenge you to do today or tomorrow is go out there. The people that you already know, reintroduce yourself to them. Let them know what your goals are. What are your career goals? What are your daily goals? What are your motivators? And ask them what theirs are. You'll see people that are successful in business, at work, in school, as friends, as family members. Approach those people. If there's a quality in them that you see that you want to gain, approach them and ask them how they got there. Ask them what they think when they're doing it. They might not even know, but if you ask them, what are you thinking when you're doing that? What is your main goal when you're doing that? That's going to help you. Now, why did I bring these people up behind me? I brought them up because you can go out there and you could speak to the family members and coworkers that you have around you. Those are going to be some influential people and maybe become mentors to you to be able to help you succeed. And I talk about that in one of my previous videos. But these people behind me are pros at it. These people behind me, these people that are public speakers that they go out and they put on a show almost at least 3 to 4 times a week. They're going out speaking to thousands of people about what we're trying to just touch. You and me, we're just touching on the surface of what, Tony Robbins has been doing for so many years. So he's a pro at it. So I suggest to go out there and listen to his videos, go out to one of his events, and not just him. There's plenty of others out there. Find one that speaks to you. These are influencers. These are people that are going to help you readapt to the environment around you and succeed in it. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. One of the things I'm starting to do now is letting you guys know what my next video is going to be about, to help you and to help me as well. So what I want to talk to you guys about in the next video is networking, the art of networking. A lot of us go out to chamber events and BNI events and different ways of trying to get to know other business owners and trying to gain business for ourselves. But we don't know how to truly network with these people and how to go to these events and network. And that's what I want to talk to you guys about in the next video. So thanks so much for watching. Get yourself an influencer, if it's on tape, if it's on DVD, if it's on video, if it's on iTunes or YouTube. Like I said, YouTube's free and it's really great. And you're going to learn a lot from there. So get yourself an influencer, get yourself a mentor, and get out there and start selling today, or doing what you want to achieve today and getting your goals set and going after them. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Michael Esposito, Esposito Professional Services. I truly appreciate the love and support you guys have shared with me. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. Please tell your family. I really, really appreciate it, and look for the support. Also, take a look at my website on the link below, and I'll see you guys soon. Again, we're going to talk about the art of networking in the next video. Thanks so much, guys, and have a great day. Bye.